Namaste, good morning to you all, and also welcome to today's mathematics class. In the previous class, we have discussed algebraic expressions and its components. Hope you have revised well. In today's session, we shall discuss multiplication of algebraic expressions. Let's move on to the topic. Next, we shall discuss the exercise problems. The first problem from exercise 6.2. Multiply the following. The first option, 3ab by 2a. 3ab by 2a is equal to 3ab. Here multiplication means which symbol we can use? Into symbol. Okay, into 2a is equal to. First multiply the numbers. 3 and 2. 3 into 2, 6. Then multiply the variables. Here a into a. A into a square into, here only one b is there, so b. So the answer is 6 a square b. 3 into 2 is 6. A into a square, then b. 6 a square b. Next option, 2a plus 1 by 5a is equal to 2a plus 1 into 5a is equal to, multiply 2a and 5a, then 1 and 5. 2a into 5a, 2a into 5a plus, then it's now 1 into 5a is equal to, multiply the numbers 2 and 5. 2 into 5, 10. A into a square plus 1 into 5a. 1 in any number, that number. So 10a square plus 5a. Next option B, 5mn minus 3 by m square. So 5mn minus 3 into m square is equal to, first multiply 5mn and m square, then multiply 3 and m square. So 5mn into m square, here the operation is minus 3 into m square is equal to 5 mn into m square. So m into m square, m cube. A power m into a power n formula. Okay, a power m plus a. So 1 plus 2, 3. M cube into n. So m cube n minus 3 m square. The answer is 5m cube n minus 3m square. Next, question number 2. Multiply the following. Option B, minus 4y into minus 2y minus 3. Okay, so minus 4y into minus 2y minus 3. So first we multiply the minus 4y into minus 2y, then minus 4y into minus 3 is equal to minus 4y into minus 2y plus minus 4y into minus 3 is equal to minus into minus plus 4 into 2, 8, y into y square plus minus into minus plus 4 into 3, 12 y. So the answer is 8y square plus 12y. Once again, minus 4y into minus 2y. First multiplying the symbol, signs, minus into minus plus. Then numbers 4 into 2, 8, y into y square plus minus into minus plus 4 into 3, 12, then y. The next option, option C, u into 4w minus 3u. So, multiplying u into 4w. u into 4w, u1 bracket, minus u into 3u. u into 3u is equal to 4 uw. u into w means uw minus here 3 u into u. u into u is u square. So the answer is 4uw minus 3u square. Question number 3. Expand each of the following. Option D. C plus 8 into C minus 9. C plus 8 is a binomial. Again C minus 9 binomial. So multiplying a binomial into another binomial. So first multiplying C into C minus 9. Then 8 into C minus 9. That's a method. So first multiplying C into C minus 9 plus the second term 8 into C minus 9. This again C into the whole term C minus 9 plus 8 into C minus 9 is equal to C into C, C into C minus C into 9. C into 9 means C into 9 plus 8 into C minus 8 into 9 is equal to C into C, C square minus C into 9, 9C plus 8 into C, 8C minus 9 into 8, 72 is equal to C square. Here minus 9c and 8c are like terms. So we add minus 9c plus 8c minus 1c. So minus c minus 72. So the answer is c square minus c minus 72. Option C, d minus 2 into d minus 6. The same way, first we multiply d into d minus 6, then minus 2 into d minus 6. d into the whole term, d minus 6, then minus 2 into d minus 6. Okay, it's equal to d into d. d into d minus d into 6, then minus 2 into d plus minus 2 into d, then plus minus 2 into minus d, minus 2 into minus 6. Okay, is equal to d into d, d square minus 6 into d, d into 6, 6d, then plus into minus, minus 2 into d, 2d, minus 2 into minus 6, minus into minus, plus 2 into 6, 12 is equal to, here minus 6d and minus 2d are like terms. So, group together, minus 6d minus 2d minus 8d plus 12. The answer is d square minus 8d plus 12. Option D, 5 minus f into minus 7 minus f is equal to, same method, 5 into minus 7 minus f, then minus f into minus 7 minus f. 5 into the whole term minus 7 minus f, then minus f into the whole term minus 7 minus f is equal to multiplying 5 into minus 7, 5 into minus 7, then minus 5 into f, 5 into f, then plus minus f into minus 7, minus f into minus 7, then plus minus f into minus f, minus f into minus f. Once again, 5 into minus 7 minus 5 into f, then plus minus f into minus 7 plus minus f into minus f is equal to plus into minus minus 7 5s are 35 minus 5 into f 5f plus minus into minus plus f into 7 7f plus minus into minus plus f into f f square. Okay, is equal to minus 35 minus 5f and plus 7f are like terms. So we add minus 5 plus 7 plus 2f plus f square. Minus 35 plus 2f plus f square. So arranging the terms in the descending order of their degrees. Okay, so f square starting f square plus 2f then minus 35. Arranging the terms in the descending order of their degrees. Next, question number 5. Find the product of the following. Option B, minus 3 into p minus 2p into 7p plus 9r is equal to minus 3 into p minus 2p minus p. So minus 3 into minus p into 7p plus 9r is equal to minus 3 into minus p minus into minus plus. So 3p into 7p plus 9r is equal to multiply 3p into 7p plus 3p into 9r. 3p into 7p plus 3p into 9r is equal to multiplying the numbers first 7 into 3 21 p into p square plus 3 into 9 27 p into r p r 21 p square plus 27 p r. Option C, 2a into 3a minus 2b into 4c minus 1. First multiply 2a with the first bracket terms 3a minus 2b is equal to 2a into 3a minus 2a into 2b into 4c minus 1 is equal to 2a into 3a 6a square minus 2a into 2b 2 into 2 4 a into b ab 6a square minus 4ab into 4c minus 1. Then multiply 6a square with 4c minus 1 and minus 4ab with 4c minus 1. So 6a square into 4c minus 1 minus 4ab into 4c minus 1 is equal to 6a 6a square into 1, 6a square minus 4ab into 4c, 4 into 4, 16, ab into c, abc, then minus 4ab into minus 1, minus into minus plus 4ab into 1, 4ab. So the answer is 24a square c minus 6a square minus 16abc plus 4ab. Then option D, minus c into minus 6c minus d into minus 4y plus 3c. First multiply minus c with first bracket terms minus 6c minus d is equal to minus c into minus 6c, minus c into minus 6c, then plus minus c into minus d, minus c into minus d into minus 4y plus 3z is equal to minus into minus plus c into 6c, 6c square plus minus into minus plus c into d, cd into minus 4y plus 3z is equal to multiplying 6c square with minus 4y minus plus 3z, then cd with minus 4y plus 3z is equal to 6c square into minus 4y plus 3z plus cd into minus 4y plus 3z is equal to 6c square into 4 minus 4y. 6 into minus 4 minus 24, c square into y, c square y plus 6c square into 3z, 6 into 3, 18, c square into z, c square z, then plus into minus, minus cd into 4y, 4cd y, cd into 3z plus 3cd z. The answer is minus 24c square y plus 18c square z minus 4cdy plus 3cdz. Question number 6. Expand each of the following. Option B, 2a minus 1 into 7a minus 8b minus 3. Multiply 2a with 7a minus b minus 8b minus 3. Then minus 1 into the whole term. Is equal to 2a into 7a minus 8b minus 3. Then minus 1 into 7a minus 8b minus 3. Okay, is equal to 2a into 7a. 2a into 7a, 14a square. 2a into minus 8b minus 2 into 8, 16, a into b, ab minus 2a into 3, 6a. Minus 1 into whole term. Okay, so changing the signs. Minus 1 into 7a, 7a, minus into minus, plus 1 into 8b, 8b, minus into minus, plus 1 into 3, 3 is equal to 14a square minus 16ab minus 6a and minus 7a are like terms, so add together further. Minus 6 minus 7 minus 13a plus 8b plus c. Answer is 14a square minus 16ab minus 13a plus 8b plus 3. Option C, minus 2x minus 4y plus 1 into x plus 2y. First multiply minus 2x with the whole term, 6 plus 2y, then minus 4y with this term, then plus 1 into this term. Is equal to minus 2x into x plus 2y, then minus 4y, minus 4y into x plus 2y, then plus 1 into x plus 2. Okay, is equal to minus 2x into x minus 2x into x, x square. Then minus 2 into plus 2 minus 2 into 2, 4, x into y, x, y. Minus 4y into x, 4y into x, x, y. Minus into plus, minus 4y into 2y, 4 into 2, 8, y into y, y square. Okay, so minus 4y into x, minus 4xy, minus 4y into 2, minus 8y square, plus 1 into x, x, plus 1 into 2y, plus 2y, arranging. Minus 2x square, minus 4xy, minus 4xy, like terms. So we add minus 8xy, then minus 8y square, then plus x plus 2y is equal to minus 2x square minus 8xy minus 8y square plus x plus 2y. Question number 7. Expand and simplify each of the following. Option A, 9a square minus 3a plus 2 into 3a minus 2 is equal to 9a square minus, multiplying these two brackets, 3a into 3a minus 2, then plus 2 into 3a minus 2. So 3a into 3a minus 2, then plus 2 into 3a minus 2 is equal to 9a square minus 3a into 3a, 9a square minus 3a into 2, 6a, 3a into 2, 6a plus 2 into 3a, 6a, 2 into minus 2, minus 4 is equal to 9a square minus 9a square minus 6a plus 6a cancel, okay, minus 4 is equal to 9a square along with the brackets minus 1 into 9a square, 9a square minus into minus plus 4 plus 9a square minus 9a square cancel is equal to 4. The answer is 4. Expand and simplify each of the following. Option C, 4x into x minus 7 minus of 2x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to, multiplying these two one. So minus 4x into x, then 4x into minus 7. 4x into x, 4x square minus 4x into 7, 28x. Minus of 2x minus 3 into 2x plus 5 is equal to 4x square minus 28x minus of multiplying 2x into the whole term, then minus 3 into the whole term. 2x into 2x plus 5, then minus 3 into 2x plus 5 equal to 4x square minus 28x minus of 2x into 2x, 2 into 2, 4, x into x, x square plus 2x into 5, 10x minus 3 into 2x minus 6x, then minus 3 into plus 5 minus 16 is equal to 4x square minus 28x minus 4x square 10x minus 6x plus 4x minus 15. Removing the brackets, 4x square minus 28x minus 4x square minus into plus minus 4x minus into minus plus 15 is equal to 4x square minus 4x square cancel, minus 28x minus 4x plus 15 is equal to minus 28 minus 4 minus 32x plus 15. Answer is minus 32x plus 15. Option D, 4 into x minus 5 into x plus 1 minus 3 into 2x minus 7 is equal to 4 into x minus 5 into x plus 1. So x into x plus 1, then minus 5 into x plus 1 minus 3 into 2x minus 7 is equal to 4 into x into x, x square, x into 1 plus x, x into 1 x, minus 5 into x, 5x, minus into plus, minus 5 into 1, 5. Minus 3 into 2x, minus 6x, minus 3 into minus 7, minus into minus plus, 7 into 3, 21 is equal to 4 into x square plus x minus 5x minus 4x minus 5 into minus 6x plus 21 is equal to multiplying through by 4. 4 into x square, 4x square, 4 into minus 4x minus 16x, 4 into minus 5 minus 20 minus 6x plus 21. Adding the like terms, 4x square minus 6x minus 16x minus 6x. Adding minus 16 minus 6 minus 22x minus 20 plus 21 plus 1. The answer is 4x square minus 22x plus 1. With that question, we have completed exercise 6.2. Hope it is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, please note it and keep. We will discuss it during the online session. Thank you for watching. Namaste.